Hello friends, today we are going to see the 34th day of our bridge course. The today's topic is the ratios and proportion. Ratios and proportion. And the subunit is factorization, different units in measuring system and their convergence. What are the learning outcomes of the today's topic? Find the prime factor of the given number. Second, write the given ratios in the simplest form. Third, find a relation between the units in different measuring systems. Let us see one by one. First, factorization of a number. Following numbers are expressed as a product of prime numbers. अवयव पाडणे हे आपल्याला माहीत आहे. मूळ संख्यांच्या रूपात मूळ संख्यांच्या गुणाकारांच्या रूपात आपण संख्या लिहित असतो, त्यालाच अवयव पाडणे असं म्हणतो. या ठिकाणी 3 एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्या समोर आहेत. फर्स्ट, 14 is equal to 7 into 2. 7 is the one prime number, 2 is the one prime number. 7 and 2 are the two factors of 14. Next one, 27. 27 is equal to 3 into 9 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 3, 3, 3. These 3 are the factors of 27. 27चे 3 अवयव आपल्याला सांगता येतील. 3, 3 आणि 3 हे 3 अवयव 27चे आहेत. नेक्स्ट वन इज 36. 36 is equal to 3 into 12 and 12 is equal to 3 into 4. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. That is 36 has the factors 3, 3, 2 and 2. These are the 4 factors of 36. 36चे अवयव 14, 27 आणि 36चे अवयव या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पाडून दाखवलेले आहेत. हे अवयव आपल्याला सहजासहजी पाडता येतील. नेक्स्ट, सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ रेशो. फाइंड द फॅक्टर्स ऑफ न्यूमरेटर अँड डिनॉमिनेटर, then cancel the common factors from both and write the simplest ratio. The examples are 4 upon 8 is the first example. 4 upon 8 will be written as 4 into 1 upon 4 into 2. That is 4 and 4 are common in numerator and denominator. Therefore 4 is cancelled and it is equal to 1 upon 2. And the ratio is 1:2. And the second example, 28 upon 7 is equal to 7 into 4 upon 7 into 1. 7 is the common in numerator and denominator, therefore it will cancel. And the answer is 4 upon 1 is equal to 4:1. या दोनही उदाहरणामध्ये 4 upon 8 या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये 4 into 1 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4, 4 हे न्यूमरेटरला आणि डिनॉमिनेटरला सेम आहेत म्हणून ते कॅन्सल होतील आणि आन्सर येईल आपलं 1/2 म्हणजेच 1:2. सेकंड एक्झाम्पलमध्ये तेच 28 upon 7, 28 upon 7 into 4 असे लिहू शकतो आणि 7 into 1 म्हणजेच 7, 7 कॅन्सल होतील अँड आन्सर इज 4:1. थर्ड, different units of measuring and their convergence. For example, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Second, 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 rupees is equal to 100 पैसे. हे कन्व्हर्जन्स आपल्याला माहीत आहेत. 1 मीटर बरोबर 100 सेंटीमीटर. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 rupees is equal to 100 पैसे. Similarly, some convergence are for you. 1 dozen is equal to how many things? Absolutely correct answer. It is 12 things. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? That is 10 millimeter. We can easily write the convergence. Then some exercise. Factorize the following numbers. First, 45. 5 into 9. We can write the factors of 45, 38, 48, 98 and 120 easily. And second question, write the simplest form of the following ratios. We have to fill the proper number in the boxes. There are total 5 examples are given to you. And third question, fill in the box with the correct number. Some conversions are given here. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 1 kilogram is equal to how many gram? 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 1 rupees is equal to how many paise, etc. This is our 34th day. Now today we are going to see the next day of our bridge course. What is the next day? 35th day. Wait for some minute. Then 35th day. What is the 35th day? The linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. एक variable असणारे equations. What is the learning outcomes? Solve problems on a linear equation with one variable using proper rule and able to get the values of the variable. Let us recall some points. Linear equation in one variable. If product of one number and 6 is 30, then find the numbers. Second example, 8 times of a number is 40. Find the number. See the solution of these two problem. The first, if product of one number and 6 is 30, then find the number. एक संख्या आणि 6 यांचा गुणाकार 30 आहे, तर ती संख्या कोणती? असा हा प्रश्न आहे. उत्तर कसं लिहिता येईल? जर ती आपण संख्या x मानली तर 6 आणि x यांचा गुणाकार 30, म्हणजेच 6x is equal to 30. If we divide 30 by 6, dividing 6 on both sides, that is x is equal to 30 upon 6, we get x is equal to 5. The required number is 5. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. That is, answer is correct. In next example, 8 times of a number is 40. Find the number. एका संख्येची 8 पट ही 40 येते, तर ती संख्या कोणती? Suppose the number is y, that is 8y is equal to 40, and then y is equal to 5. The required number is 5. Solve the following equation and get the value of the variable. Here 2 examples are for you. You can easily solve these 5 problems. 7x is equal to 35, x is equal to 35 upon 7, x is equal to 5, 5x is equal to 45, that is x is equal to 9, etc. Observe and solve equation and solve the remaining equations accordingly. Here some different questions are given to you. 3 upon 7 is equal to x upon 21. Here you have to cross multiply, that is 3 into 21 is equal to x into 7, and here x is equal to 9. Similar second example is given to you. 5 upon 8 is equal to x upon 48. Cross multiply, it is 5 up into 48 is equal to x into 8, and then 5 into 48 upon 8 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 5 into 6, x is equal to 30. Third example is also similar, and here for you exercise is given. There are 4 examples, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to solve in your bridge course notebook. I hope all of you are understand today's topic. Okay, today we stop here.